Assalamualaikum students. I hope you all are fine. Students, today our page is page number 57. On page 57, first of all put date at the second part of the page. 27th 4 2020. Students, here we have challenge. Students, do you know what is meant by challenge? Let me tell you, students, it's a call to prove or justify something. Students, it's a little bit assessment. Let's read the statement. Group 3 or 4 adjacent numbers that add up to 20. Now color these groups. How many groups can you find? Students, here we have 3 commands. We have to find out the numbers which help us to make the number 20. Then we have to color it. After finding all the groups, we have to count and then write how many groups we find in this puzzle. Students, do you know what is adjacent? Let me tell you, it's a format on the same side of a straight line when intersected by another line. Students, let me tell you the example. Here is 4, 8 and 8. When we add these 3 numbers, the answer is came 20. 4 plus 8, the answer is 12. When we add 12 in 8, the answer is 20. Here we have another example. 8 plus 6 plus 6 and the answer is 20. And here is the puzzle. 8, 6, 6. When we add these 3 blocks, we have the answer is equal to 20. Students, to solve this puzzle, we need some colors. With the help of colors, we will color these groups. Students, let's start our work. Students, here we have our 3 first blocks. 8, 3 and 9. We have to calculate them all together. 8, 9, 10, 11. When we add 3 in 8, the answer is 11. Here is 9. We have to point a little bit 9 dots here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Let's count. We done 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Students, here we have our first group of 20. We have to color in these 3 boxes. Start coloring, students. Like this. Now students, go further. Here we have our second group. Students, 6, 7 and 7. When we add 6 in 7, the answer, students, let's point a 7 dots on the head of the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now students, count towards 6. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. When we add 13 in 7, the answer is we have to count towards 13. These are the 7 dots. We can count them again. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Here we have our second group of 20. We have to color in these 3 boxes. Start coloring like this. Now go further. Here we have some numbers. We have to calculate and find out the group of 20. When we add 5 in 2, the answer is 6, 7. The answer is 7. When we add 7 in 3, 8, 9, 10. The answer is 10. It's a group of 10, not a 20. Go further. When we add 3 in 8, Students, we have to point here a little bit 8 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now count towards 3. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. The number is 11. We have to add 9 more in 11. Then we find out our group of 20. Students, we have to point a little bit dot more. Then count towards 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. We have our group of 20. We have to color in these 3 boxes. Start coloring like this. Now go and find out the other one. Students, 4 plus 7, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. When we add 11 in 3, the answer is 12, 13, 14. No, it's not a group of 20. We have to find anyone else. When we add 7 in 9, we have to point a little bit 9 dots here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now count towards 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. When we add 16 in 4, the answer is 20. Like 17, 18, 19, 20. We got our answer 20. This is our group of 20. We have to color it. Students, start coloring like this. Now, students, here we already have a group. We have to find from here a group of 20. Let's find. 3 plus 2 is 5 and 5 plus 6 is 11. Go to the next line. 5 plus 6 is 11 and 11 plus 9 is 20. Students, let's color in these 3 boxes like this. Now go further. 2 plus 1 is 3 and 3 plus 5 is 8. No one. Here we have a group, students. 8 plus 5 is 13 and 13 plus 7 is 20. We have to color in these 3 boxes. Start coloring like this. Now students, take a look again and find out, is there any other group of 20 are hidden from our eyes? Let's start finding. Hold on, students. Here we have 3 numbers, 9, 5 and 6. When we add 9 in 5, the answer is 14. When we add 14 in 6, the answer is 20. We have to color in these 3 boxes. Start coloring like this. Now students, we have to count all the groups. Start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Here is the question. How many groups can you find? Students, we find 9 groups. Let's write answer here. 9. N I N E. 9 groups. G R O U P S. Groups. Students, put date at the last. 27, 4. Students, stay at home, stay safe, take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.